In this video, we are going to learn how to connect a regular washing machine with a Raspberry Pi using 4-channel relay module and full circuit diagram of the project. I have already uploaded introductory video of DIY IoT washing machine with its operation control using remote device. Its link over here. Now let's understand the main functions of IoT washing machines which has to be controlled by Raspberry Pi. First one is water inlet on and off. Next is forward and reverse rotation of the pipe filter for washing the clothes. Drain motor on and off. Spinner for drying the clothes. And the most important, the pressure sensor to determine the water level. This is water inlet valve which controls the water intake of the washing machine. This is where the inlet is connected and this is a solenoid valve. So whenever we are giving an input, it opens the valve and the water flows into the washing machine. This is the forward and reverse rotation of the motor. This is drain motor. It has two functions. First one is to drain the water from the washing machine, and next one is to release the brake over here. So once the brake is released, spinner is activated in the forward rotation of the motor. Now let's see. So you have seen over here the brake is released and also the valve over here is open now. Now let's understand the wiring of this machine. Three wires are coming from the motor, main motor, two wires from this drain motor, two from this capacitor. All the wires from the washing machines are connected over here to the 4-channel relay module. First relay controls the forward rotation of the washing machine. Second relay controls the reverse rotation of the washing machine. Third relay controls drain motor, and the fourth relay controls the water inlet valve. This is the water inlet. Circuit diagram you'll find in the end of this video. This is a pressure sensor of the washing machine. It is used to determine the water level of the washing machine, and whenever the water level is achieved, then the water inlet valve is switched off. Now this is how it looks. This is the pipe. This is attached to the washing machine tub. So whenever the water level is increased, the pressure is created over here. So I've opened this pressure valve, so it looks like this. So whenever the pressure is created, it presses over here. The pressure creates pushes this diaphragm inside. So inside this there is something, this there is some spring and some valve. So let's understand how this works in a block diagram. This is a block diagram of a wash tub. This is the drain valve which is normally closed, and there is one more outlet which is connected to this pipe of the pressure sensor, and this pipe, and here there is a pressure sensor, and it is airtight, so air will not cannot escape from this pipe. So whenever the water is added in this tub, then the air over here trapped creates a pressure over here with the diaphragm, and when the water level increases, this pressure also increases, and this difference in pressure is used to determine the water level of the washing machine. With my present knowledge, I don't know how to integrate this particular sensor with the Raspberry Pi. So the first sensor I tried is BMP280, this particular sensor. So let's see how this works. Now to use this particular sensor in the washing machine, we need to create an airtight container which can be fitted, which can be used as a pressure sensor for the washing machine. So this is a DIY pressure sensor which I have created using a simple jar. So you can see this is this is a normal jar, and I have sealed it over here. I've made a two holes for this. One is for pipe so that the air pressure can be developed, and another for this passing this wire, pass this wire, and once this is closed, the other end of the pipe is connected to the washing machine so that we can get the pressure in this one. So this is the setup to test this pressure sensor, DIY pressure sensor, whether it is working or not. So this is a Raspberry Pi which is connected to this BMP280 module inside this jar, and this pipe I have connected to this syringe to create a pressure. Now let's see whether this particular setup works or not. So current pressure reading is 1009. So I am okay. So the pressure is being created, but there is some leakage in this system somewhere. Now you can see the pressure is getting developed, but it is not maintained. It is slowly reducing. So there is some leakage in this particular system. For the earlier pressure valve, the pressure was not being maintained. So now I've created this another pressure valve. The BMP280 pressure sensor is inside this pipe. I have sealed it from both the side, from this bottom as well as this top side, and I have connected this pipe, and let's see if this works. 1400. Wow. Okay, see over here, the pressure is pushing the syringe back. So it means there is sufficient pressure inside the system, and even the pressure is being shown. So I can assume that this particular iteration is working. For this sensor, the maximum pressure that was attained was around, it hardly managed to cross 1090. But for this sensor, it achieved 1400. So the lesson learned is the volume of the sensor where the air is, so pressure is created, should be as low as possible so that we get the maximum pressure reading. Let's try and test this in machine then. So this is the setup. This Raspberry Pi 4-channel relay module. This is the DIY pressure. This is the DIY pressure sensor. It is connected to this Raspberry Pi with this jumper cable, and the pipe from the sensor BMP280 is inside this particular sensor, and it is connected to this washing machine over here. So the pressure difference between empty and full tub is approximately 30 unit. This I can use in Python code to determine the water level of the washing machine. This project full Python code I will release in my next video as soon as possible. Now let's go through the circuit diagram. This is the main circuit diagram of the project. Before proceeding, I request you to ensure safety while working with AC currents due to potential risk of shock hazard. Link of this diagram is available in the description. You can download it. If you find this video to be informative, then please like this video and also subscribe to this channel for more such videos. Now let's get into the details of the diagram. Left side of the diagram is with AC wiring, and right hand side over here this is the Raspberry Pi which is connected to this 4-channel relay module, and this is BMP280 pressure sensor, and on this side AC wiring. This is the main AC plug, 3-pin plug, and this green wire is grounded with the washing machine body, and this is the main washing machine motor. It is having 3 wires, and this is how they are connected to the circuit. This is the drain motor and its 2 wires, and this is the capacitor which I had shown you in the video earlier. This is water inlet valve. This is MCB 10 amperes. If you have any queries, you can please leave a comment. I'll try to reply.